Welcome to the Design Thinking Mastery course. This course is designed to help you develop your design thinking skills and apply them to solving complex problems in a user-centric, creative, and innovative way.
Whether you're a designer, engineer, product manager, business leader, or anyone who wants to enhance their problem-solving skills, this course will provide you with a comprehensive and practical framework for generating and implementing design solutions that meet the needs and expectations of diverse stakeholders. In this course, you will learn how to apply design thinking methodologies to identify, analyze, and solve complex problems using a user-centric approach that focuses on empathy, ideation, prototyping, and testing. You will also learn how to collaborate effectively with interdisciplinary teams, communicate your design solutions, and evaluate and refine your solutions through continuous feedback and iteration.
By the end of this course, you will have a deep understanding of the design thinking process and its applications, as well as a set of practical tools and techniques that you can use to solve complex problems in various domains. You will also have the opportunity to apply your knowledge and skills to real-world challenges and showcase your design thinking mastery through a final project.